Okay, so you start cutting that. Those that have this type, you're gonna stay that little distance away, and we're gonna do the same kind of cut all the way around. Those, we're gonna leave what's inside of that on both sides. Just stop short 1/8 of an inch. I drew that too close. Just a little something there. And then when we come over here, we don't want all this. So we're not gonna need a whole lot to flap over there. So, I don't know why I keep laying that marker down. So we can see that from basically the edge of this point up to about there, we don't want. That's half throttle on this thing. I'm pulling, go through the little air thing, and then go about halfway more. Cool, and if it's done even half right, it looks pretty neat. So whatever color flocking you're going to be using, you have the same colored glue. And the premise is real simple. We're going to take our brush, get this black paint looking stuff in here, and we're going to cover, nothing fancy, and then you want to put a little in this gun. Kind of harder if you want to blow it on. All right, give someone else it, just pass it around. You want to get plenty on it. Little short motions, but push hard when you push. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. This is called, what I'm getting ready to do is called off-dollying. That's where you hold a dolly where you want it to be. Like right here, we don't want this any higher. Or in this case, right here, we don't want any lower. And you don't work right on the dolly.